Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your health stat in Crimson Desert. First things first, you need to at least complete Chapter 4 since this is where you are introduced to the Skolastone Institute. After that, head to this side of the map. This is in the southernmost building in the Skolastone Institute, southwest of Hernand. The first time you go here, you'll need to complete a request from this person to access the research development. It's extremely easy since it's only a fetch quest. After that, you can start the research of the first node, which only takes about 2 hours of in-game time. After that's done, start the second research node, which takes 8 in-game hours. After completing this, you'll unlock the research node to increase the health stat. This is an important mechanic since all 3 stats are capped at a certain level if you don't complete the research nodes in the research facilities in Pywell. Now start this final research node for the health cap unlock, which takes about 20 in-game hours. Eventually, you will be notified that the research has halted at 50%. Open your journal, and under the Skolastone faction quests, track this quest and follow the waypoint. All you need to do is talk to this NPC with an exclamation point on its head. After that, all you need to do is wait for the research to finish. After a while, the research will complete and you'll unlock the cap to your health stat. And that's how to increase your health stat in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.